So just going to replace the laser on this PS3 Slim, and got it here. So yeah, this model is CECH 2003A, and we just need to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. This one here, there's nothing underneath it, so just leave that. Also there's 3 screws along the front here, and they are T7 or T8, I think. Torx bits. Okay, now I'll lift off. Disconnect the power supply. Just one connection here, one over this side. Then there's 2 screws. We'll just lift up. It does take a bit of force to get this side off because there's 2 pins. We don't need to disconnect this, we just need to move it out the side. Disconnect this ribbon cable here. Pull that out. Take this one out. And I thought there was more. There should be a screw there too, but I think I forgot to put that back in. And then flick this part here out. And then we should be able to lift out this disk drive. Some of them actually have a ribbon cable underneath here which is connected to the board, but this one doesn't, so yeah. And then I guess we undo these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we have to take them all out. And there might be a piece of tape you have to take off too on the side here. A longer screw. That's it. That's that. Yeah, so we just lift that out, I think, I would say. What else is joined on there? Do another ribbon. Oh, that ribbon cable underneath. Oh, that power cord. That should pull up all good. Oh, there's also one underneath, which could be tricky. So I'm just going to take the laser out and then try and disconnect that ribbon cable. Okay. So I'll disconnect this one here on top so I can separate them. There we go. KEM 450 AAA. Yep. Okay. So I'll put this one on. It's in there. And put that on. Okay, so pretty much got that back together. Just one more ribbon cable, I think. There we go. And I'm pretty sure that's everything. Yeah, so I guess I'll put this back together. I was actually thinking of greasing these rails here. Seems to be a bit better now. Okay, that'll have to do. So now this, I think, yep. side's not over top. Was there supposed to be both inside? Yep. Okay, so I'll put the screws back in, and then yeah. RTO. That we okay. And then case back on.